And that's where we begin tonight. President Biden ordering additional strong sanctions and new limitations on what can be exported to Russia. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Rebecca Brumfield. Shelby Roberts is on assignment tonight. Now this comes after Russian President Vladimir Putin announced in a televised address he ordered a military operation in eastern Ukraine. Since then, multiple explosions have been heard around Ukraine and at least 40 people are dead. Locally, the ongoing conflict is leading to higher gas prices and uneasy stock markets. Our Austin Schick joins us live from our Twin Cities newsroom now to show us how the ongoing tensions in Europe can play a role in the global economy. Austin.
Well, Rebecca, the conflict is already causing a rise in those gas prices. That's according to an analyst from GasBuddy. And at one point today, oil barrel prices jumped as much as 8% and saw a $2 increase.
As early as, now, gas stations are raising their prices to reflect the increase in cost.
Following the Russian invasion of Ukraine, GasBuddy's head of petroleum analysis says Americans should expect to see an increase.
Most states will see prices go up by anywhere from 5 to 10 cents a gallon over the next 1 to 2 weeks. And like I said, that impact may be more significant should the situation continue to escalate in the days ahead.
He says Russia is one of the largest oil producing countries in the world, and there's a real fear leaders there could use their oil as a weapon.
This is the concern, is that potentially Russia could retaliate by limiting oil exports, much as it did limiting natural gas supplies to Germany and much of Europe as a result of that Nord Stream 2 controversy.
The global tensions also leading to stock market uncertainty. At close Thursday, the Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and the S&P 500 all closed higher than they were at this morning. Edgar Norton, a finance professor emeritus at Illinois State, says the market doesn't like uncertainty. He says even if Ukraine becomes a part of Russia, the market and U.S. economy will recover.
This is obviously a terrible situation in Ukraine. We don't know how it will unfold in the future, but I'd suggest keep on investing because 5, 10, 20 years from now, chances are you'll be happy that you did stay in the market.
Now, GasBuddy also says diesel for trucks and airplanes will also go up, so consumers could see higher prices in those services. And he also says the increase in motor fuel could lead to higher charges on taxis or ride shares like Uber. Rebecca?